Hi, this is Chef Brad from the WonderMill WonderMix company, and as always we have a solution for you for the things that we struggle with in life, from making bread to what do you do when the power goes out. A lot of people have our hand mill, they love it, but if the power goes out and you have an electric mixer in a mill, what do? I love electricity and I love my mill and my mixer. I want to be able to still make homemade bread if there's a power shortage, or if I go up camping and I don't have a source of electricity. Well, now we have a solution for you. It's the Inergy Kodiak. It's powerful and amazing. You can grind a batch of flour, mix a batch of dough, and it still has power. It's great. It's a perfect solution for you to use your wonderful WonderMill WonderMix products when there's not electricity. Let me show you how simple the Inergy Kodiak works. You take your mill, you simply just plug it in right here, and it's already been charged, whether you charge it with the solar panels or you can charge it with your electricity in your home. It's already charged and ready to go. So we plug it in, we turn our mill on, and grind our grain. It's as simple as that with the Inergy Kodiak and your WonderMill that have perfectly ground flour when there's no electricity. Now we're going to whip up a batch of bread using the Kodiak for the energy source with our WonderMix. It's pretty simple. So we have it plugged in right here, and now we're just going to, just like we would a regular batch of bread, we're going to add our water, our sweetener. We're going to use a little bit of agave for our sweetener, and then we want to put a little bit of salt in there, and a little bit of oil, and then we have our flour, fresh ground flour that we ground with the WonderMill using the Kodiak for the power source. We're going to add our flour to that, and then we're going to place our yeast right on top of the flour. I love this. I can make bread now when the electricity goes out. Did you know this thing will also power a freezer for up to 50 hours or a refrigerator for over 30 hours? That's so amazing. The thing I'm excited about is I can plug my fan in it when the electricity goes out in Arizona in the middle of the night and you're sitting there dying. I can plug my fan in and stay cool. It's so wonderful. Here we go. 6 minutes later, our dough is perfectly done. I love the new Kodiak by Inergy. Another solution for all of your life's needs. This is Chef Brad from the WonderMill WonderMix company. Have a great day.